Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DJI Fly app maps for offline use, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download DJI Fly app maps for offline use, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the DJI Fly app installed on your device. Open the DJI Fly app and connect your drone to the app. Once connected, navigate to the main screen where you can access map information. Tap on the map icon in the bottom right corner. In the map view, you'll see a region of interest displayed. Zoom into the area you want to download for offline use. Make sure to cover the entire area that you plan to fly in. Once you have the desired area zoomed in, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap on the three-dot menu to access additional options. Select Download Map from the list. You may be prompted to confirm your download. Choose Yes to proceed with the download. Monitor the progress of the download in the notification area. Once the download is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. To verify that the maps are saved, reconnect to the internet if needed. Go back to the map view and zoom out to ensure the offline map is accessible. Your downloaded maps will now be available for offline use, even without an internet connection. This allows for a seamless flying experience in areas with poor or no internet access. Remember to regularly check for updates to your downloaded maps. Keeping your map data updated ensures the best performance when flying your drone. You are now ready to use the DJI Fly app with offline maps for your next drone adventure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.